Hi, it's Nicole. Nice to see you here again. And we are here to introduce our multifunctional laser machine 10-in-1 again. And for the 10 functions, there are the vesicle removal and the lipolysis function, basic therapy, nail fungus removal, and cutting functions, EVLT mode, regional typing handpiece, and also the EVLT dental handpiece, also the PLDD functions. So there are in total 10 functions you can choose from our laser machine. And on our last lecture, we introduced our optic fiber with the lipolysis handpiece, optic fiber with the EVLT handpiece, and also the cutting handpiece. And today we are here to introduce mainly for two parts. The first part we will introduce this random fiber and random fiber together used with hemorrhoids handpiece and also the EVLT functions. And on the second part, we are having the physical therapy functions training, the training from aside the screen and from also the treatment parameters, suggested parameters, how to do treatment, what you need to take care of, and so on. And if you have any questions, you can comment, leave the message on our Alibaba at any time. And also, if you want to see other functions, you can tell us. We will introduce the functions or training for next time. Okay? And right now, I want to introduce our market because we have customers all over the world. Like the Europe countries and American, Canada, also the Mexico. We also have, as we all know, that Mexico customs is very difficult to pass if you don't have any special ways. It's not easy for our clients to receive the laser machine. So that is why we built a warehouse in Mexico. So if you are from Mexico and you want to receive the laser machine, we can ship a laser machine from our Mexico warehouse directly to your address. And it only takes 3 to 4 days. It's very fast and very safety. And also we have many customers from the South American, like the Chile, the Mexico, and Bolivia. And we have much experience on the shipping to these countries, like custom papers, anything. We all have this experience, so we can help you too. About the factory, our factory has been in China market for over 9 years. And also, I'm on the market in this beauty industry market for over 8 years. So I have known all the information about the laser machine and other laser machines on the market. So if you need any help, you can contact me anytime. I will have you compare or tell you the details on the market for any machine. Okay. And next, I want to talk about the price for our laser machine. Compared with other lasers on the market, there are many, you can see many different chips, different price, but with the same layer quality and the same best results laser machine. Our price is best on the market because our factory wants to enlarge our market first to let more clients know about our quality and our good results. That is why for our customers who already bought the laser machine, 70% of those clients for the second and third lasers after they test the first laser machine person because they're satisfied with the laser machine very much, no matter for the quality, price, and the treatment results. That's why they bought more for their friends, their other clinic, or other business on other countries. Also for the rest 13% of clients, they bought the rest handpiece. As we all know that there are 10 functions in your laser machine. So maybe they will buy 1 or 2 functions at first, and after they try the laser machine, they received and they can see the good treatment results and the quality. So they trust the laser machine, so they buy the rest of functions. Okay, and you can trust us and trust the laser machine too. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at any time. Okay, and today we will introduce you our random fiber. Okay, I will go closer so you can see. This is the random fiber, and there are mainly 2 types of the random fiber. For random fiber, the advantage you can see the length is 3 meters, and the diameter is 300 nanometer. Most of the random fiber is 600 nanometer, and also you can see the different tapes here. This is for random fiber. There are two types I just said, right? And the first one is the glass tip. Here it's short glass tip, and we have another one is the round glass tip. I will show you later. And what is difference with those tips is for different functions. With the sharp glass tip on the tip, this mainly for the hemorrhoids treatment. And for the round glass tip is for the EVLT and visual treatment and PLDD and so on. So with different tips, they have different functions to do treatment. For the other, the random fiber is the same. 3 meter, 600 nanometer, and with different tips. And also the most important difference between the random fiber and the optic fiber I introduced last time. Because the optic fiber for lipolysis, cutting, or ENT functions, the optic fiber is consumable. You need to cut this part of the treatment. But for a random fiber, this is not consumable. You can use the same fiber all the time. Of course, after each treatment, you need to disinfect the fiber. And how to disinfect fiber, you can contact us. We send you the PDF details. Okay. And for this fiber, and today and later I will show you the test energy and also the light. I will try the cutting mode. Cutting mode is also for the hemorrhoids treatment, so it's the same. And when I press standby, as you can see, it's the red light here. And I show you there is the working mode for this random fiber. It's a run shift. You see, it's not just board. It's a run. This is how the big difference between the optic fiber and the random fiber. This difference. Also, for our vaginal tighting handpiece, inside of the handpiece, it's also the random fiber. I can introduce it next time. Okay, see, it's a round shaped round circle, and also working like this round circle. It's not just a word; it's different mode. Okay, and next, I want to show you this introduced. It's the burned trials. This is the testing card, testing energy, also called the double frequency card. Double frequency card, everyone you will still one together with your laser machine because this is necessary parts. And what is the function of this double frequency card is used to testing the energy of your laser machine. How do you know your laser machine is working fine with good energy? Using this, I'll show you. Okay. To test it first, I want to turn off the red light first. Of course, the color will mislead us. So we can start. You see, it's there. Okay, there's no light. I will use the full switch working. Okay, here is our full switch imported from Korea. It's very professional. All the class like this very much. Okay, and after press the standby, and I use the full switch working on this, and please focus. You can see different colors. Okay, and can you tell me what colors do you see here? You see? It's also a circle. Did you see the green with yellow color? Once you can see the green with yellow color when the laser is working on this card, it means that your laser machine is working well and also with strong and powerful energy. So your laser machine is very normal to testing like this, and also you can testing on the black paper too. You can see it more clearly for the green with yellow card circle. I'm sorry, this can't be done because only this can do. It's with special materials on this tape. You see, it's different. That's why you can see the yellow with green color. Other things you can't do that. You see? Okay. Next. Okay, let me see next. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong view because I need to take the glasses. I forgot it. So when you're doing the treatment, please need to take care of this. Wear the glasses to protect your eye. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, and here is the details for our humorized radial fiber details. Okay, next, Jason will introduce you the plasma pen. What is plasma pen? If you place order today in your showroom, you will receive one free plasma pen with 6 treatment tips. And the function for this pen is for the pigmentation removal, cutting function, wrinkle removal, skin rejuvenation. And Jason will show you later how to work, and what does it look like. And next, he will show you how to install the hemorrhoids handpiece with radial fiber. Okay. Okay, and你先那个。
Hello everyone, this is Jason, and you can see this is the plasma pen, and here you can see the on-off button and the power button, frequency button. Press the on-off button around 3 seconds. You can see it turn on, and then you can press the power and frequency. You can see it. Then press the on-off button. It can work. Here you can see the spark. It's very high power. The similar product on the market is very low power, and then you press the on-off button around 3 seconds. It stop worked. If you place an order today, you can get a plasma pen. If you have any questions, please contact us. Hello, this is Jason. Here I will introduce the hemorrhoids function. For this function, it used the handlepiece with 2 needles and 1 endoscope and random fiber. For this fiber, it's not consumables. You can use it all the time. Then I will install the handle. This black knob is used to fix and lock the fiber. And you can see the fiber is locked. Then I will show you how it works. Stand by here. Oh, sorry. I choose the mode.
Cutting mode. 你摸没调？先按3段，对，我解说一下。
If I stand by here, you can see the red light. It's a radial shape. It's a circle, you can see. the red circle. Oh, by the way, the connector on the fiber is not can't be exposed onto the air for long times. It's easy to burn. If you have any question, please contact us. Thank you.
Hello, it's Nico. I'm back again, and now I will introduce you the basic therapy handpiece and how to install, how to use, and also the training part of the basic therapy handpiece. Okay, first I want to install the handpiece. Okay, just a minute. This is the basic therapy handpiece, and many clients ask me how to install, how to set parameters, and how to do the treatment to get best results. And first, I want to go closer to show you the handpiece. Okay, and first here, you see here, it is a control button, and this connector is control power for this control button. Okay, and this is the lens inside is imported from US. That's why the power can be observed to very bigger. And here you can see this is to adjust the spot size. This is spot size. For treatment, we suggest to use the standard one. You don't need to adjust it because the smaller spot size, the higher energy. Once you make the spot size bigger, the energy on each small spot will be smaller. So the best energy is to make the smallest spot size, just like standard aid, and don't need to adjust it better. For the big treatment area, you can do the bigger spot size, but also at the same time you need to set higher energy. Okay. And this is connector for the handpiece, and it's the cable line, and also here you see there's no guide. On the market, there are many handpieces, the different functions of treatment height sharing the same cable, and each time when they replace the different functions of handpiece, they need to replace the treatment height here, and also in this place there are gaps. Well, this makes it very easy to get gas into. Once the gas into the fiber, the handpiece and fiber is very easy to burn. So this design is the best on the market to protect your handpiece. Also makes the lifespan more longer. Okay, and next I will install this handpiece on the laser machine. Okay, first I'm here to introduce the connectors. For these connectors, it's very important for this connector because once the dust into connector is very easy to burn too. So never touch the connector with your hand or other things. Never touch it. Okay, and protect it well. And second, you can see here I installed the control button power. Only you connect this power, you can use your control button here. So you need to connect it. Okay, I introduced again. This connector is to control button power, and this one is connector for the laser machine to offer the energy for this handpiece. Okay, this is two connector, and for this is emergency button. Only use when there's an emergency things happen. At this time, when you need to stop the laser immediately, you need to press it, and the laser will start working immediately to protect the operator or patient or the machine. And this key switch is the light indication. Once the light is on, it means the laser is on too. Okay, and on this is the handle holder. See here, the first one is for the physical therapy handpiece, and the second small one is for other two handpieces like the vascular removal and the nail fungus removal. Okay, and also on the physical therapy handpiece, you have two control systems. First one is control button. And if anything happens or your control button can't work, don't worry, you still have a full switch to control the laser machine again. Okay, two control systems. Once one of them done, you have another one to choose. So don't worry. Okay, and next, choose the physical therapy, and when you go into the operator screen, you see the numbers from 1 to 13. What is the numbers for? This is the memory functions. What is the memory functions? So, for example, I choose number 1. Okay. For example, number 1 is for Jason. When Jason comes to do treatment, I choose number 1 for him, and I into the parameter screen, and I choose the CW mode, and also I choose the 30 watts energy for him, and I press here this button keep. Okay, and when I return, I press the number 1 again and return, and I go to the operator screen. You can see the same mode, CW mode, the same energy, 30 watts. This is for Jason. So this is for memory functions. You can keep 13 clients data on this system. So next time the same class comes, you can just choose its number to do the treatment. So the laser machine memory system will keep the data for you, no matter for the mode or frequency, pulse, and energy. Okay, and next for the physical therapy handpiece, how you size the screen system. We can see there are 3 modes: CW mode, and pulse mode, and the single mode. What's called the CW mode? CW mode means the laser machine will working all the time. The energy will never stop unless you don't press button or step on the switch or turn on the laser. Otherwise, the laser will working all the time. This is CW mode. What is the pulse mode? Pulse mode means the laser handpiece will working sometimes, breaking sometimes, working sometimes. Also, you need to press the switch or control key, pressing the control button. The laser will working like working, stop, like this. And the single mode means no matter how long time you step on the switch or keep the button, the laser will working only once. How do you want it working again? Just press again or step on the switch again. So this is single mode, only working one time. And this is mode. For the different functions, there are different modes for options. Like for example, like the physical therapy handpiece, what is the most for this is more useful? CW mode is the most useful mode for the physical therapy handpiece, as we all know that a physical therapy handpiece is for all kinds of pain relief on the body. So how can you relieve your pain more effectively? So that's using the CW mode. Energy will keep working all the time. Okay, and for the energy and the pulse and the frequency, as we all know, if the laser machine is working all the time, there's no break time. So the pulse is 0, and there's no frequency too, because it's working all the time. So at this time, you only need to size the energy. Okay, and about the energy, how you choose the energy, it will depend on different colors of your skin. Because different colors of skin, they have different ability to absorb the energy. For the black people, their color is dark, so dark color skin is better absorb the energy. For example, with the 30 watts energy, the black color skin absorb the higher energy than our other people, like white people, because their color is better absorb the energy. So at this time, for a darker skin color clients, you need to start with a very small energy, because in this way to avoid a bird or something. Of course, once you feel hard, you can just do more one, so there's no chance to bury you or your clients. Okay, don't worry for this. And for the energy, our suggested for the yellow or the light skin color, you can just start with the 13 watts. 13 watts, I will show you later on how to work. And for the treatment time, we suggest for the treatment time from 20 minutes to 50 minutes according to different treatment area. For example, if you do the treatment on the arm, how many times do you need, or on the neck, we suggested 10 minutes to 25 minutes. Also, according to if you have very badly pain, you can do a treatment for more times, like 20, 25. If it's just 5, it's a little pain, you can do treatment for 10 to 15 minutes. Also, it's according to feeling, because the customer's feeling is the most important thing to let you adjust how to start and how many times you do. Okay, and if you don't have any experience, don't worry. You can do more practice and you will know all the things. Don't forget to put on your glasses, okay, to protect your eye. And even you already have one glass, it's okay. You can see here, just fine for it's just fit for my glass, and it's just fine. There, it's very comfortable. No other feelings, okay. And for this, I want to also testing the double frequency card for you, okay. And also, first, I want to turn off the red light. In this way, we can see the green with yellow color more obvious. Don't forget to press standby before you're working, okay? And I've used the control button, it's more convenient. By the way, not all the factories they have control button on the little handpiece. Just as I know, just 1 to 2 companies they have, and one of companies us. Okay, and you see, did you see the green with yellow color on the control bar? Yeah, see, it means the little machine is working very well and has powerful and strong energy. This one, never drop it. Keep it all the time to testing your little machine all the time. Okay. And next, I need to turn on the red light, because with red light I feel more comfortable for physical therapy handpiece. Okay, you see the red light, and I side the 30 watts, and when you do treatment, first, our suggested parameters may be not suitable for all the clients. Therefore, at this time, I feel it's fine. Within 3 seconds, the energy is fine for me, not very warm or hot. So at this time, we suggest you to set a little higher energy. So why you need to set a higher energy? Because according to the therapy, the more higher energy, the better results. But the clients they can burn the energy. That's why you need to try. Okay, I put it 37 watts and I try again. Okay, this time I feel warm within 2 seconds, and also it's fine for me. Okay, at this time I want to set a little higher again. Okay, for this time I started 43 watts for me. Okay, I can feel as long as the handle touch my skin. Okay. When you're doing treatment, you need to move. Why you need to move? Because your clients will feel very hard within 3 seconds. So you need to move the handpiece all the time. Okay? And if you want to move slowly, you can just set a little lower energy. In this way, you can move slowly. But like me, I set a higher energy that I can feel the energy immediately. So never just do treatment on this place. You need to do the treatment around it, because it's not possible that this point is the pain. Maybe other place hurt and this place pain. It's very normal. So when you're doing treatment, you need to do the whole complete treatment for the whole areas. Okay? You can move, if you want to move slowly, you can set a little lower treatment energy. And for me, it's a little higher, and I can handle with this energy. So that's why I move a little faster before I feel very pain. Okay? And longer treatment time will be much more helpful to release your pain, because when the longer treatment time you do, the energy will go deep into your body, and your treatment part will absorb more energy, and it's better to and also faster to relieve your pain. Okay. And from the treatment results from other clients, they can feel much better and feel warmer and comfortable after the first time they do the treatment on their injured part or the painful place. Okay, and here, right now, what's my feeling? I can feel this place is very warm from skin and also the skin on the cover and also inside is all very warm. Okay, very, very comfortable, very warm, not just on skin, also under the skin I can feel. It's very warm. And also usually after your treatment you can feel the warmth within 10 to 30 minutes, you can still feel it's very warm. That's why it's the advantage for this treatment handpiece. It can make your energy and warmth deep into your skin and make sure that your treatment part can absorb more energy to effectively relieve your pain. Okay, and it's very easy to do treatment for this handpiece compared with other handpiece, of course. And that's all. And for this treatment handpiece, and if you want to more details and other videos or in-stone video, treatment videos, and suggested parameters, you can contact us. We will send you the PDF file with all the suggested parameters for all of our functions. Okay, and okay, this is all for our show today. And if you are interested in other functions of handpiece training or others, you can message to us and contact us to tell us what you want to see, what you want to see us to introduce or to treatment. Okay, we will arrange another time to help you on that. Also, if you want to know more details in time to time, you can follow us. There is a follow button there. Press follow, and our company will update our information for our laser machines or new lasers or promotion or other things. We will update once a week. So after you press the follow button, you can receive all those information time by time. Okay, and this is our tradition today. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.